Hey students, today we are learning how to convert a Word file into a PDF file using Python. It is very useful and it has many applications. So first of all, we have a Word file here. If you open it, there is our Word file. We want to convert it to PDF file and save it here in same folder. For that, just open PyCharm, create new project, Word to PDF, okay, and new project. Create this one and wait for few seconds. It will the project is open. To start working, we need a package that is very useful for working with office documents, and we can install that package from this terminal. Using command pip install pywin32. There you go, it is installed. The other process we can install it, go to file, settings, go to your project, Python interpreter, click plus sign, pywin32. So you can also install it from here if you are not good with commands. So just install it. It will take few seconds. There you go, it is installing. So pywin32 installed successfully. Now go to our code editor, close this one and this one. Here we are going to write the code. So I have already written a code. There it is. Just paste it here. The code is available on concepts.pk. You can download it from there. And to operate this code, you just need to call this function. Let's name this function Farhan. So this way, you can name whatever you want. Okay, so just call this function. There you go. Give it a location. It is available in D. The name of file was wrd.docx. File name can be found from here. This is its extension docx, and this is the name of the file. Okay, just call it and we will open the folder so we can see what is happening here. Okay, to run this, just press this one. Okay, it is executing the code. Okay, the process finished with exit and 0 error. Okay, now if you go there, we have wrd.pdf file. So thank you.